Think your credit score could use a boost? Here's a quick rundown of 8 tips to help you out. 1. Pay your bills on time. A single late payment can drastically impact your score. 2. Keep balances low on credit cards. High outstanding debt can affect your score. 3. Don't close unused credit cards. Keeping them open can increase your available credit. 4. Pay off debt rather than moving it around. Shuffling your debt isn't a solution. 5. Apply for and open new credit accounts only as needed. Too many can lower your score. 6. Dispute any inaccuracies on your credit reports. You have the right to an accurate credit report. 7. Understand that actions like paying off a collection account won't remove it from your credit report. It stays for 7 years. 8. Seek the help of a credit counselor if needed. They can provide personalized advice and guidance. Remember, improving your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. So stay patient, stay persistent. For more tips, subscribe to 8 Tips.